Hey everyone, Josh Sparrow here with Hartfiel Automation. Today I want to do a quick demo on the InspectorP cameras from SICK. We will be looking at an AI application, looking for defects in a business card. Take under 5 minutes. Hope you enjoy. All right, our first step for connecting up and doing an AI application is connecting to the InspectorP. We're running the quality inspection app, and you can see I'm just on Google Chrome, pointing to the IP address of the camera. The camera actually hosts all of its own software, so you don't have to download anything. Anything with a web browser would be able to connect up and work with these tools. So what I'm going to do is add one of my good business cards in here, and we'll take a image, and then I'm going to add just a object locator tool right here. We're going to update our reference image and take this right on the H of my business card. Now what this allows you to do is have all of the AI tools that we've got follow along with the H. Very useful if you've got vibration or if things are hand placed on your line. Now the second thing we're going to do is add this AI anomaly detection tool. I'm going to go back to our reference image here. And what I'm going to do is just highlight the entire card. This would be anything that you wanted to look for defects on. So if you wanted to look at a specific area, you could do that. If you wanted to cover the entire thing like this, you can do that as well. And then we can see that the anomaly tool is indented to the object locator, which means that that will follow along. Now to do our AI, we're actually just going to do an auto collection, and I've got 10 good business cards here. So we're going to take 10 images. And I'm just going to use this trigger down here to trigger this. You can see on the right hand side, we went from 10, we're going to go up to 20% with my next image here. Now what's really interesting about the way that SICK does AI is that you only have to use good images. You can add some bad images in there if you really want to, but what we found is a lot of places try and manufacture defects that might not really be there just to train their AI. So why would you manufacture bad products if all you have to teach on is good? That's kind of why we've seen this a lot of times be very successful for people. So we'll come in here, got 3 more cards. 1, 2, and 3. Now you can see we're at 100% completion, so it's going to save those into the good images. Again, you could add some bads, but we're really just going to do this. So I'm going to hit this train button. I'm going to be pretty precise. I don't need to be super precise. Then I'm going to leave this strict matching on. The strict matching basically says I want it to be exactly the same. If you're doing label verification, we probably want that on. If you're looking for a defect that could be really anywhere or looking for presence of, say, a glue, you might want to turn that strict off. Now what's really interesting about the inspector camera is we're doing AI on here, but you also have all of the standard tool sets. So if you wanted to do some measurements, if you wanted to do OCR or barcoding, that's actually possible right on this same exact camera. You can see if I click Add Analysis Tool, the quick list of tools that are on here. Very simple to be able to use that. Now, I'm going to take another picture. You can see that my anomaly score over on the right-hand side here is 1.69. So I'm going to take this, maybe lower this down to a 10, maybe a 15. We'll see where our defects come in. I'm going to introduce, I've got just a small mark on here. You can see I've now failed. My anomaly score is up at a 22. Maybe I want to be able to show my people where that defect is, so we can actually adjust where we're looking and bring this and really start to make that glow. So you can see we've got a bigger mark there and then a smaller mark down below. Now I've got a second bad card here, and this just has a small scratch out of the H for Hartfiel. We can see, again, we've failed this card. based on the anomaly score, and we've just highlighted where that scratch is. Very simple to be able to do. And then just to show you, again, if we take a random card that we know is good, click teach, we're good to go. So you're done, all set, 5 minutes to train AI. Very simple. If you have any questions, contact Hartfiel Automation or reach out. That's a quick demo from SICK on the Inspector platform. We use their anomaly detection tool, but again, you'd really be able to use this for any application for measurement, for label checking. It's all the same software, no matter what hardware you buy for the Inspector platform. So anywhere from a 0.5 megapixel or so, all the way up to 12 megapixels, has the same exact software that we looked at. Ethernet IP, Profinet, all the different communications that you would expect out of a camera. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you next time.